Hindi ka na ako umiyak sa trip na to.
I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord.
Boracay, let's go!
We made it!
Guys, we are here at the airport. And sakto lang naman yung time ko. Alam niyo ba, pero later na. Wait lang, kukunin ko yung boarding pass. Actually, I don't know. At nagdi-discover lang ako today. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, get tayo ng boarding pass. Ayun, nakita ako. This is it. Ay, hindi man lang kompleto. Re-reprint kaya to? Already got my boarding pass and itong nilalagay sa may maleta for check-in baggage. So, let's put this. Paano to? Ano daw? Paturo nga tayo. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba gagawin ko eh. Help, help. We need help. Kaya sorry, paano po ito dinidikit? Ganyan lang. Okay. Ganito lang pala, guys. Okay, tayo yung mag-check-in na ng luggage here. Hindi naman ganun kahaba yung pila. Hanggat hindi tayo nakakapasok ng plane. Kinakabahan talaga ako. Sabi ni Kuya, mabilis lang to. So, sige. Katiklan. Thank you. Saan na po next nito?
Departure po, domestic departure.
Okay, nakapag-check-in na tayo ng baggage. Parang gusto ko to ulitin i-print kasi hindi ko man lang makita yung boarding gate ko. Punta na tayo sa boarding gate, guys. Pero nagugutom ako. Guys, first time ever in my life akong sasakay ng airplane. So, hindi nga alam kung gaano ako kinakabahan right now. Guys, wala pa akong almusal kasi na-late ako kung nagising. At McDonald's. Ito na lang tayo sa McDo, guys, para mas mura. Pag-chicken fillet lang ako. Ang gusto ko pala ng price. Here's our food. Ay, hindi kwento ko pala sa inyo. Grabe, buti na lang. Malakas yung boses ni Mama at nagising ako sa boses niya. Ang alarm ko naka-PM pala siya. So, nagising ako mga 6:10 na. Dapat alis ako 6:30. So, talagang rush na rush ako, guys. So, buti na lang talaga. Medyo nagising pa ako ng maaga at kaya pang i-rush. The first lesson of this trip, dapat i-make sure na AM yung alarm mo. By the way, the time of departure is 10:45. Sabi kasi nila dapat mga 3 hours before nandito ka na sa airport. Right now, it's 8:30. Mga 9 siguro, pupunta na ako doon. Okay, let's go back to domestic departure. Pwede na ako pumasok, guys. Sobrang busog na ako. We made it through. Medyo chaotic nga lang doon. So, let's find gate 131. We are seated in front of gate 131. So, it's 9:17 pa lang. Mahaba pa yung time ko. So far, we're doing good, guys. So, good job, self. We're boarding, guys.
Final call po, Katiklan, Boracay.
We're inside the bus. So, standing tayo, guys. Kinakabahan ako na na-excite. I don't know. Guys, we're here at the plane. Boracay, let's go! Eto na, guys. Sasakay na tayo ng plane. We're inside the plane, guys. Bus vibes. Medyo dulo pala tayo. Here's our seat, guys. We're inside the plane. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. We're actually going to fly. Pala ako sa window seat kasi nag-seat selector ako. Siyempre, gusto ko window seat yung first ever airplane experience ko. So, guys, we're gonna take off. I'm so, I don't know, excited or kinakabahan. Good luck to us. We're gonna fly. Nasa taas na tayo, guys. Okay, guys, we just landed finally. Nakahilo pala mag-airplane. We're here at Katiklan. Nakahilo mag-airplane. Nag-bonami naman na ako pero nahilo pa rin ako. Buti mabilis lang. Tapos magbabangka pa. Baka sa bangka na ako masuko talaga. Kaya nga ako 1 hour bago ako sumalang ulit sa boat. We can do this. So now that we're here, actually guys, ngayon hindi ko alam kung ano next na gagawin. Hintayin pala natin yung luggage natin, guys. Wait. That's our bag. Yeah. And we just need to find tricycle papuntang Jetty Port. Guys, nag-DIY ako for this kasi mas mura daw siya. Ano wala, gusto ko lang siyang ma-experience. Okay, let the adventures begin. Dun tayo sa tricycle. Here, I met a friend. Can you say hi to my vlog? She's Becky. I just met her sa may airport. You're vlogging too?
Yeah,
Really?
I see a little more of like Instagram, like peak reels and stuff.
Yeah. Okay Hey guys, we're here at Jettyport. I'm still with Becky. Magbabayad lang kami ng mga fee. Then papunta na kami din doon sa may pinakaroro or boat. Tinutulungan tayo ni Kuya, guys. Got our seat number. It's also my first time riding a boat.
Really?
Yeah.
No way!
Guys, tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaugayan. Sana hindi ako mahilo. Eto na. Wait, ang uga. Nasa boat na tayo, guys. First time ko din to, if you don't know. Ano, oh my God. 10 minutes lang to, guys. Let's go. We can make it. So far, it's not bad. It's not that bad. Sarap kasi ng fresh air. Piling ko nakaka-contribute din yun. Para hindi ako ganun mahilo. Kasi guys, may motion sickness ako. We just landed through Roro. And right now, the task is we need to find the trike. We're here inside the trike. So, 25 lang. To the hotel na yun. Ako kasi Lime Hotel, yung pagsistayan ko. Guys, we arrived here in Boracay! We made it! We're staying here at Lime Hotel. So, it's stairs and ayan ang aking maleta. Ayan, buti may nagagay dito. Thank you! Hi! Check-in po for 2 p.m. Thank you. May cold towel pa, guys.
Before that, ma'am, I would like for you.
So hot. I got complimentary drink. Thank you. Guys, our room just got upgraded. Dapat kasi sa no windows ako and 1 bed lang. And they upgraded it. This is our room. Our bathroom. Double bed na siya. And this big window. Hala! Oh my God! May balcony, guys. Guys, hindi ko in-expect tong balcony. Oh my God! Ang bait sa akin ni Lord, guys. Grabing upgrade naman to. Thank you. Ang bait sa akin ni Lord. This is our view. Grabe, thank you so much, Lime Hotel. Alam niyo, sobrang accommodating din dito sa Lime Hotel. Not sponsored or anything. But I booked this through Klook. Gumamit ako ng code for 5% off. So if you also want 5% off, use my code. And yeah, we're in Boracay. Oh my God, I can't believe we did this. Kaya ko pala talaga siya. Papangunahan lang kasi talaga ako ng kaba. Pero hindi kaba ang nanalo ngayon dahil we're here in Boracay. So right now guys, I'm just gonna rest kasi medyo nahihilo pa rin ako dun sa plane ride natin kanina. Hindi ko actually in-expect na mas mahilo ako sa plane. Kala ko mas mahilo ako sa boat. So right now, it's almost 2. Siguro lalabas ako mga 4. Mag-chill lang ako dito guys kasi tatanggalin ko lang yung hilo ko. First outfit. Simple fit lang today. We're heading to the beach now, guys. So from Lime Hotel, siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes walk lang. I can see it. It's so pretty. Guys, it's so pretty. Uy, hindi ganun kalumot. Nice. Oh, the sand is so firm. Sabi nila mas pino pa daw yung sand sa Station 1. Finally here at D-Mall, guys. Ako po 1 order ng mix. Tapos pwede pa less mango. Look at that, guys. Yay! Okay, let's find somewhere to eat this. Looks so good! Here's our mango mama! I hope it's good. Guys, trivia lang, hindi ako ganun kumakain ng mango, but for this, it's worth the try naman. Pero siya parang kakanin sa ilalim. Uy, ang sarap ng combination niya. Yeah, it's so good. This is better than Coco Mama. Kasi na-try ko na yung Coco Mama and yung Ube Mama kasi, halaya pala siya. Hindi ako kumakain ng halaya. Look at that! I love this. Malapit na sunset, punta tayo sa beach. I found the shed, guys. Guys, Boracay is so nice. Hindi ko alam, parang ang peaceful niya kahit ang dami niyang tao. Kahit nandito na ako sa pinaka-crowded place. Kaya lang hindi ako makapag-swim. I'm on my period. Hindi na naman ako makaswim katulad nun sa LU. And I think tomorrow, I plan to go parasailing. Ayun yung hindi ko pwedeng lagpasan dito. Hey, I'm so happy. Just looking at it, I'm so happy. Let's feel the sand. So fine. Almost sunset. May mga lumot dito guys, pero hindi ganun kalumot. It's too pretty. Aww. Okay, nag-set na siya. for one. Here at Island, chicken inasal for dinner. Here's our order, guys. Ito yung paa. Let's eat dinner. Konting chicken hoy lang sa rice. Sa rice ko din magsuka. Let's try all their sauce. Their chicken first. Tender naman. Sarap siya. Gusto ko yung lasa ng chicken. Okay guys, we're done eating dinner and the total bill is $297 with service charge pa pala siya. Guys, I'm with Beck again. Meet ko lang siya sa daan. Like, nagka-meet kami sa daan ulit. Bumili siya ng ice flakes and ako, ito yung bibiling ko, yung my crepe.
Sige, one Nutella banana.
Looks good, guys. Let's try it. Malaki guys. It's okay, guys. Just a typical crepe. Okay, day 2, and here's our outfit. Today, guys, we're gonna be with Becky kasi sabi nga mag-rent daw siya ng scooter. Actually, meron kasi talaga akong one free day with no plans at all. So, ito na yung plano ko. Okay, guys, Becky's here. And there's Becky! Yay! Hi! Papunta kami, guys, sa Mezerap. We're gonna eat lunch there. Here at Mezerap, piling ko, ito yung kukunin ko, yung Meze 2. Here's our food, guys. Chicken and baby squid. Then I got cilantro and garlic sauce something. Muna baby squid. Malambot. Wrap natin. Must try nga here, guys. Okay, here at Cafe Shine, dito kami mag-matcha. Try this matcha strawberry latte. Wait, can I, sub to oat? Strawberry matcha. Haluin pa natin kasi yung natikman ko is super tamis niya. It's good. Very balanced. You want? I'll try Becky's order. What's this? The classic, their classic matcha. Yeah. That's good. But that's more sweet than this, right? Yeah, I like it more bitter. Okay, we're done here. Wait, where are we going? What beach again? Dininwid. Ah, Dininwid. Going to Dininwid Beach, guys. Finally here, guys, at Dininwid. Ang ganda! Can you see that? So nice, guys. Lagot ako sa derma ko, guys. Dahil kayo yung nagpapaaraw and bawal tayo sa araw because of isotret. Found the shade here, guys. Mamaya siguro magtitake kami ng pictures around there. Becky will try her drone. Ilang beses na siya nag-a-attempt, guys, kasi mag-drone. Pero kasi sa Boracay, bawal mag-drone.
Do you want to hold it for me?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Let's help Becky to set up her drone. Yay! It's out there. Yeah, it's so pretty. Guys, look at that. Wait lang. Wait. Shit, I'm scared. May daan ba dyan? Dito na lang tayo. Si Becky dun dumaan and hindi ko kaya dun. So scary there. I can't. Sobrang init, guys. I think next destination namin is Puka Beach. Dun kami and gusto ko na shake. Bye! Okay, we're here at Puka Beach. Medyo napapagod na ako, guys, kasi ang init. Mag-shake muna kami, guys. Baliktad pala yung top ko. Sobrang fresh ng shake, guys. Maubos ko na siya kagad. Ang ganda! Pero yung sun dito, guys, hindi ganun ka-fine. But it's okay, maganda pa rin naman. Guys, magkakayak tayo. Kasi si Becky gustong tumawid doon sa private island. And sobra akong kinakabahan. Alam mo, Becky, ikaw talaga. Kailangan ko ng life jacket. Hindi ako lumalangoy. You know what, Becky? This is for you. Okay, guys, magkakayak tayo. Nakabahan ako. Shit.
Bye-bye.
Ah, kuya! Shit! Yung kasama ko kasi, kuya, masyadong adventurous. Wala to sa plano ko, yung magganito. Ah, kuya! Wow! Si kuya inaalog. Love tayo ni Lord, love tayo ni Lord. Thank God we're safe. Kasi si kuya, ang likot Nililikot tayo ni kuya kanina sa bangka. Hi! Yay, guys, we're here. Punta pa tayo doon. What's in here? Ah, wala. Ganito na lang pala siya. Ala ko may lusutan. Here's Becky and her drone. Fresh air. Where is it? Oh, there. You're not scared? Sarap ng hangin, guys. Okay guys, we're back here at the mall to get some dinner. Dito kami guys sa casa, Comida Mexicana. Hindi pala, Tres Amigos pala. And I'm gonna get this one. Ito yung chicken chimichanga. Mexican food for tonight. Guys, here's my order. Ang laki niya. Hindi ko alam kung maubos ko to. Pero parang ang sulit niya. Pwede siya for 2 person. Okay, let's try it. Kakain kayo dito guys. It's for sharing. Dessert naman tayo guys. Dito ako sa Aria Gelato. Here, 1 scoop of pistachio. 120. Maliit lang siya guys. Let's try! Super creamy. Puno siyang ganitong cup guys. Worth it naman siya. Masarap. 8% na lang ako. But I think after this, tatambay lang kami anywhere. And then that's it. Hey guys, good morning. Well, I'm getting ready. Lagi kong pinapanood to yung The Dog Show, diba? Hindi ko alam, parang naalikwas ako sa kanila. So basically, mga 3 araw ko na silang pinapanood. Anyways, today guys, actually, dapat magsa-sunrise seeing ako kaninang umaga. Napasarap yung tulog ko guys. Nagalam kasi ako 4:30. So I guess tomorrow na lang bago ako mag-check out. Check out ko kasi guys, naalis ako dito 7 kasi yung flight ko is 10:45. Doon kasi siya sa Bulabog Beach, so lalakad pa ako over there. So medyo nagugutom na din ako. Bibilisan ko lang tong get ready thing. Okay guys, we're done and this is our outfit today. Sabi guys, ang kalat ng room ko, I'm so sorry but it's just me, you know. Pwede ako maging makalat at lilikpitin ko din naman to by myself. There! Let's go! Okay guys, first up, let's go to Sunnyside Cafe. Doon tayo magbabrunch. And doon siya sa Station 1, so let's find a trike. 20 asig. It's 20 pesos sa Station 1. And we're here! Table for 1. Dito guys, ang ganda ng view. Kung hindi lang ako gutom na gutomin, kaya ako maghintay. Kahit mag-waiting ako sa taas, okay na dito. Yes, I'm hungry. This is going to be my first meal. Parang masarap to, tuna salpicao. Ano ba itsura nito? Search ko muna guys, yung itsura ng tuna salpicao. Ay, okay. 1 tuna salpicao lang. Palas na lang ng egg. Thank you. Oh, the view is so nice. Ang ganda. Dito na pala food ko, guys. Here's our salpicao. I'm here dito sa Boracay. Expect na mahal talaga yung food kasi this is like almost 500. Medyo mag-splurge tayo since nasa Boracay naman tayo. Let's try it. But it looks so good. So, for siya in fairness, I think for this 500 is a bit too much. Pero yaman na guys. Ang ganda naman ng view dito and ang ganda ng place. Let's buy! Done with the brunch and now let's go to Jonas Shake. Hello. Si Kuya, nag-book na ako sa kanya ng Paraw Sailing for 800. So later magkikita kami ni Kuya Alfred. Ganda ng mga restaurant dito sa Station 1. And yeah, yung sand is talagang mas fine siya. Malapit na sa powder. Nakikita ko na yung Jonas Shake. Let's see what we can order. Try this tropical shake. It's 200. Magaling ko nga lang tong necklace na to. Parang it's itching me. Parang Makati siya. Here's our tropical shake. Ay, ang cute! Edible yung straw nila. Let's try it. Parang mango shake siya. Ayun, may pineapple. May pagka-tangy ng pineapple. So fresh. Umaambon, guys. Sana later makapagparaw tayo. Hindi, mawawala yan mamaya. It's 12 pa lang. Mawawala yan, guys. I'll just go back to my stay sa Lime. Kuha tayo ng payong. Hey, it stopped raining. Mas less yung lumot dito sa Station 2. Okay, umuulan. Guys, umuulan. Sobrang weird ng weather dito sa Boracay today. Kanina medyo umaraw na eh. Tapos ito na naman. Umulan na naman. What a rainy day in Boracay, guys. Nice. Inoferan tayong seat dito kahit hindi naman ako dito nagsistay. Sure ka, walang bayad to?
1.5 po.
Inoferan tayo ng seat ni Kuya kasi umuulan eh. Wala ako matambay. Thank you, Kuya. Sana walang catch to na pinuupo tayo dito at a good seat with this good view. Ang babait ng tao dito sa Boracay actually. Lahat sila accommodating. Kasi na to dapat sa Henan lang ata siya. Since hindi naman occupied, and umuulan kasi, wala masyadong shed here. Naupo muna tayo nila Kuya. Thanks Kuya. Medyo pahina lang tayo ng ulan. Yan, umaaraw na, guys. Umaaraw na. I think let's continue our day. Bibili tayo souvenir. Yan, go tayo magnet. This one's cute. 50 lang siya. 100. Parang ito na lang. 100. Okay, let's get these two for 150. Thank you. Got our souvenirs. Okay, watch me set up my photo spot. Put it here. Ito lang yung setup ko. Ganyan lang. Nagpa-post-post lang ako dyan. Wait, guys, got the pics. Let's go out. Here's a hidden cafe. Ito siya sa loob ng Fiesta Souvenir. Dito muna tayo mag-chill. Sobrang init, which is I'm thankful na mainit and hindi na umulan. Is their menu. Gusto ko i-try ito, yung Coco Matcha. Their best seller. Guys, super sakto. Nung pumunta tayo dito, umalis na yung mga nandito sa spot na to. Oh, that was so hot. Yay! May naman tayong creator din. Si Ken. What's your TikTok? Oh, kailan ka pa nandito? Parang tagal mo na dito.
1 year pa lang po.
Ah, dito ka! Oh, nice. Dito ka pala. How was it here?
Actually, birthday ko today.
Birthday mo! Happy birthday! Hey, happy birthday, guys. Birthday ni Ken. Cute naman, guys. Here's our order. Oh, super thick ng matcha. Ang sarap. Very unique. Actually, first time ko lang din yung coconut milk. Nakita ko lang din to sa TikTok. Just worth it naman.
Kasi coffee
Oo
shop
nga.
na ako.
Sabi na lang. Gusto mo ba? Picture lang. Picture lang. Hindi, ako na. Okay guys, next up, do you know what we're gonna do? Here at the photo booth, of course. Ay, photo booth po. Okay, 250 guys. May papalit po kayo sa 1K. Okay, kayo naman. Dito tayo sa white background. Pwede palang malayo. Yun may gosh. Let's just wait for the photos. Oh, ang ganda. Got it! Now let's head back to the unit to change clothes. Back here at Station 1 for parasailing. Yes! Ang ganda ng araw, guys. Ganda ng Boracay, guys. Just look at that view. 5 p.m. pa ang aking parasailing. Stay here for a bit. Yeah, I took pictures, guys. I mean, medyo nasasanay na akong kumuha ng pictures by myself. Ito yung cam ko, guys. G7X Mark II. 2019 pa to, guys. So, they're calling us na. Actually, 5 kami. Joiner lang ako dito. Ayan na ang mga paraw boats. Wini-wish ko lang, sana hindi tayo mahulog kasi hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Bakit ba hindi ako marunong lumangoy? That's our boat! Oh my God, ito na! Excited ako pero kinakabahan ako at the same time. Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yes, guys, let's go! Here it goes! Sarap guys, ang sarap ng hangin. Very chill ride lang. Moana! Hindi tayo makapag-Moana guys. Buti pa si ate nakapag-Moana. I'm scared. Done parasailing guys. That was fun. Ganda na ng sunset. Hanap ulit ako ng picture spot. Target lock. Dito tayo magpipicture ng sunset. This is the vision guys. Ka-timer lang siya. Yeah. Is that good? Come on. Tapos babalik ulit. Wala kasing remote tong G7X. Oh, that's nice. I'll get more. We need to get the shot. Okay. Struggle of solo trips. I think tama na. At nahihilo na ka. Our last sunset in Boracay. Let's appreciate it. It's so pretty. Guys, I almost lost my DJI mic. Buti na lang, nahanap ko siya. Alam mo ba, nandito na ako sa station 2. Bumalik ako hanggang station 1, tinitignan lang yung lapag. Doon, no, hindi ko alam kung bakit siya nahulog. Thank you, Lord. At nakita ko siya. Mahal din to, ha. Nakita ko siya, medyo buried na sa sand. Hindi ka na ako umiyak sa trip na to, guys. So, I'm just finding Smokes Restaurant. Kasi gusto ko ng butter garlic shrimp. And nakita ko sa TikTok, doon daw is masarap. Ay, malapit na tayo. Yeah, dire-diretso pa, guys. Tama naman yung truck natin. Okay, it's here, guys. Meron kayong buttered na shrimp?
Meron, pero for sharing siya.
For sharing lang yung buttered nila. Thank you. So, punta tayo ng Tods or Tods. I don't know. So, talaga ng buttered garlic shrimp or Bicol Express. Okay, let's find Tods sa tapat ng Boracay Paradise. It's around here somewhere. Eto! Yan lang pala siya. Tawid tayo, guys. Oh, ang daming tao. I'll do Bicol Express. Guys, 135 lahat. Finally, isang murang store dito sa Boracay kasi halos lahat is ang mamahal. Yes! Isa din naman to sa craving ko. Second siya sa craving ko. Try it! Sarap! Good morning, guys. Do you know that I'm very, very early for the sunrise? Alam niyo ba, umalis ako ng unit ko, 5:10. Sobrang dilim. Alam ba, guys, nilakad ko yung sobrang dilim na road na yun. Tapos bumalik muna ako. Bili na lang muna ako ng water. Guys, can you see this road? Kanina, sobrang dilim nito. Eh, nilakad ko talaga siya. Ngayon, medyo may may araw na. Here at Bulabog Beach. Hanap lang tayo ng spot, guys. Grabe ka hangin. Super hangin. Last few hours in Bora. Thank you, Lord, for this. I'm so happy na I did this. I'm so proud. I'm so brave. And I'm so blessed. Thank you, Lord.